Okay, turn the camera on. Let's get this body already started. Here we go. Okay. We're getting ready. Huh? All right, guys, what do you want to say? George? Buddy?
George, jungle.
My
My buddy and me. Hey, I probably put it back on somebody else now. Right?
All right, let me go get the video going here. All right, this is for Brandon.
Happy birthday, brother.
Happy birthday again, Brandon.
Yeah. All right, you want to say anything to Brandon?
Hey, Brandon, happy birthday.
Hey, Brandon, you need to make an honest lady out of her.
Oh, damn.
No fight there.
I'd say. Hello, guys.
Practice run.
Uh-oh, there goes the neighborhood. All right, who invited this guy?
Birthday, buddy. The Dirty 30. Woo!
I remember the day when I turned 30.
Happy birthday, Brandon.
Happy birthday.
Guys, want to say anything?
Happy birthday.
There you go.
Window licker.
Okay. All right, guys, where is he at?
Hey, buddy. What events have we got lined up next? Another golden
Happy birthday, Brandon. We're waiting for you.
These are all your friends.
Came all the way from Milwaukee for this.
And they're all waiting to wish you a special day.
False alarm.
3 minutes out.
I know.
3 minutes out.
3 minutes out.
Can I pee?
All right. He wants to pee before your birthday. Maritza, what do you have to say?
I'm going to Disney. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Delicious. Uh-oh, here comes Sandy.
Yeah, they just turned around. Johnny's here too.
Oh, good.
Tell Johnny to hurry his ass up. Tell Johnny to hurry his ass up.
That's right, man.
Johnny, for the video, hurry your ass up. You're slow.
Always slow.
Always late. Always late. Slowpoke Johnny. I'm not coming.
I know
No,
you.
I'm gonna be here, but I'll be here late.
He said Johnny is pulling up, so have Sandy go out. Don't go out that way, go out that way.
And Sandy, let the bar know that it's not a surprise party.
That's right.
She can't make up
You don't have to. Is that what you do
Yeah.
at a truck meet?
Huh? Just go ahead.
Hey, Sandy, and it's not a surprise party.
It's not a
That's
surprise
right.
party.
There's a truck meet. All right. It's a truck meet, guys. Keep that in mind. All right. Josh, keep the world entertained while we're waiting.
I don't know. What can I say?
Well, let me get
Buddy,
the.
let's talk about
Actually,
Johnny.
let's talk about Buddy.
about
Buddy's
Johnny.
actually very entertaining. That's why, if you notice in the last video, I got his picture in the front because
Right.
more people are watching.
You sure he's entertaining? I thought he was just a Billy Goat.
I'm very entertaining.
That's
I thought
right.
he was just a Billy Goat.
Make up more beers, I'll be really entertaining.
That's right. I've always discovered more alcohol, I get very entertaining.
Yeah, I know, right?
You get your ass coming. And turns into Scooby-Doo Rubber.
Ruh-roh. Few more minutes. Okay. I want to go get another beer.
We'll go get another beer.
Well, I'm the guy with the camera.
Here, I got the camera.
All right, you film for a little bit.
Give me a beer.
They were just talking about.
Oh, look who just showed up.
Come here.
We're done now. We're through. You can go home now.
You had one job, it was to close the door and get here, but you couldn't do that, could you?
Nope, don't touch that. $500 worth of camera. Don't touch that.
They just pulled up.
Did they? Go. Freaking camera just broke.
He gets all the chairs.
That's right. He gets all the chairs.
So if you want a seat, call him. Hey, yo, Johnny, you want to sit down?
Well, we already used ambassador, so we couldn't. But without calling him the president, the next best thing was chairman.
So next would be doorman.
Yeah, that's it. That's your title, doorman.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna be the doorman.
Yeah, you wish.
He's right out that door. Yeah. We were about to waste a surprise on you, Chris.
He's right outside. Okay, let's get this ready.
Yeah, sorry, mine us a beer.
I'm buying myself a beer. Okay, is everyone ready?
Everybody's gonna get ready, right?
That's right. All right. Let's get this party started. Huh? I don't know. Which lady are you referring to? Oh, it's well, that's.
So you're gonna be dancing?
What? Happy birthday! Happy birthday, man! There you go. And you want to leave town? What an outrage!
You're gonna leave without
Woo!
I know, I did. You didn't see me.
Good job.
Sorry. You got us instead of the keys. We're so much better than Key West.
Okay, were you surprised?
Yes.
All right, that's all that matters, right? So, your family took good care of you, man.
We were here yesterday having a ball. You guys can come out of the corner now. I'll grab your I'm so glad you came.
2 hours later. Yeah, like that's
How you doing, man?
Good, man. Nice to see you. I'm using my new camera.
That's awesome.
This is my when I'm taking a SEMA show. So.
It's awesome.
Now you don't talk to Kenny. Don't talk to him.
Hey, when you told me we were gonna have a drink crowd like that, you're right. When you were saying, are you gonna go with
Please tell me. Did you? It wasn't. I pulled it off. You didn't think it off. Oh, I've been working on this for 3 months. Alright. Now you
Little camera, huh?
That's nice. That was a dash cam?
No, it's I don't know what it is. I bought it. Yeah, I gotta take it to SEMA. What? Oh, it's Sandy.
What?
I work hard. Sat on the couch. 300 of them. 300 of them I put stickers on.
You guys are on no seat. Yeah. Who gave my passport? Your mom. I'm just joking.
Minus more than did I. You have no clue what Al and your mom look.
I should have been in the Bahamas this week.
Yeah, you're not going to
So the problem in the Bahamas, we're not there.
So I got you guys.
Huh? It's all right. Someone else.
No, this time the cake is here.
Okay.
Last year you forgot the cake.
I didn't forget the cake. You forgot the cake. Don't bring back that bad memory. I bought 2 cakes, one for Rose and one for him, and only one made it to us.
Who noticed that?